Good day. Are you aware of the day of the week when you were born? Or do you know the day of the week when Jose Rizal was exiled in Bagumbayan? That will be our lesson today. To be able to understand our lesson well, I would like to introduce a new word called odd day. It is a word referring to the extra day of a complete week. For every code of odd day, we have a particular day of the week. Odd day 0 refers to Sunday. 1 for Monday. 2 for Tuesday. 3 for Wednesday. How about 4? This is for Thursday. 5 for Friday. And the last one, 6 for Saturday. To get the number of odd days from a set of days, you have to divide it by 7. Whatever is the remainder, that is the odd number. If the odd day is 0, it's Sunday. To get a total number of days, we have to find which one is leap year and which one is non-leap year. Dito sa table na ito, makikita natin kung ilang taon ang ating hinahanap. Sa 10 taon, malalaman natin kung ilan ang leap year at ilan naman ang non-leap year. 365 days. Therefore, ang 366 days ay meron siyang dalawang extrang odd day. Ang non-leap year naman ay meron lang siyang extra day na isa. Nakuha mo na ang total days ng leap year at saka non-leap year. I-divide mo na ito by 7. Mamaya ipapakita natin kung paano sinusolve ang number of leap years and non-leap year. For the next 40 years, this is how to find the number of leap year. Let's try to solve our first example. Napakadaling isolve ito dahil ang hinahanap ay yung araw ng katapusan ng taon, December 31, 2000. Here is another example. This time it's not December 31, kundi lampas ng December 31. We are looking for the week of the day on January 6, year 2000. First, kailangan nating hati-hatiin ang century upang mas madaling isolve. Alam natin ang 1600s ay divisible by 400. At kung divisible by 400 ito ay leap year at ang leap year for every 400 years ay Sunday. Ang odd day niya ay 0. Kailangan na lang ng 300 years upang mapuno ang 1900s. Dahil alam na natin kung ilan ang odd day ng 300 years, mas madali na lang nating isolve. We refer to the table on first 100 years, 200 years, 300 years, and the last one is 400 years. Ang 99 naman, ito yung mapupuno ng hanggang December 31, 1999. Isa-separate natin ang mga araw mula sa kumpletong taon. Natin ng odd days ng January 6, year 2000. I-separate natin yon. In this video, we will be having a short quiz on a specific topic. It is shortened to 10 items only, and you are expected to finish in 30 seconds. There will be no answer keys, for they will be discussed with your teacher. Label your answers with the video ID and the date when you took the quiz. Good luck! This project is brought to you by I Volunteer for Filipino Children. Ito ay libreng serbisyo mula sa inyong lingkod para sa kabataang Pilipino. Para makamit ang tagumpay, kailangan tulong-tulong tayo. Upang maging epektibo ang iyong pag-aaral, kailangan i-monitor ninyo ang speed ng bawat take ng exam. Ready? Item number 1. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 2. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 3. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 4. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 5. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 6. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 7. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 8. This is item number 8 and number 9. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 9. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 10. What day of the week when your mother was born? You still have 5 seconds to finish. Congratulations! Now let us wait for your teacher to discuss these items. This project is brought to you by I Volunteer for Filipino Children. Just remember, this is my personal advocacy and it is free. Anyone may join.